I'm down, run me that whole kit, I need these.
Got out of work. Receipt. And got that motherfucker down. Alright guys, I just finished putting the ECU in. And shit you out. I'll show y'all real quick. Yeah, y'all can see the plugins. Y'all can see it. Put all the mounts in. What's up, guys? My fucking joints. I don't even know what time it is. I'm guessing it's around 7, 8, about to hit 9. I've been working on the car for a little bit. So I got the motor in, I dropped the motor in, I did the clutch over the weekend. I did that shit in like 4 hours. Whipped my car like this, barely jacked up. I dropped the transmission, put it on my stomach, rolled it off my stomach, and then fucking did the clutch and then pushed that bitch back up in there, and there's a fucking moth. But what I currently just did is I took the lower intake manifold off because I knew I had a leaky injector, right, in the videos that you guys saw. But I already had some new injectors, so I went and bought some O-ring set for the injectors, and I took them all off, replaced all of them. They're basically practically brand new. Put the fuel rail back on, and then I noticed, I was like, I might as well do spark plugs because it was misfiring, or like it wasn't idling rough. It's just misfiring. And then I took a look and I knew that I had leaky injectors, and then when I took them out, I was like, I have spark plugs too. I have brand new spark plugs. So when I checked that out, that back cylinder, like always, literally this happens in a lot of G35 350Zs and people cry about it. Just gotta change the valve cover, dry it up, go to Harbor Freight and fucking buy these. I've already had these. I've already run into that issue last year. And yeah, with this motor I ran into that issue, and so yeah, I did it, cleaned it, sucked it up, did all the fucking spark plugs, injectors, and then I put a ported intake lower manifold on that I had in the corner. I was like, I might as well, I'm already here, might as well. And yeah, have my foot up like this because my fucking, I'm just trying to stretch, that shit hurts. But yeah, she should be ready to turn on. I'm gonna double check with the camera off just because we all like to procrastinate, you know what I mean? I told you these zip ties are good. Let me double check the floor. It's been a couple days since I've had fluid. It's probably been approximately, what is it, Tuesday? I finished Sunday putting fluids in and not a single drop. What's up, fuckers? Currently 4:40. I'm about to leave to Albuquerque. I gotta go to this gas station real quick though. I'm about to go pick up a carbon hood. Let me turn the fucking. I'm about to go get a carbon hood, and I'm. Alright boys, my fucking ears are ringing just from the elevation drop, but I'm about to pull up like right now. So I'm gonna talk to him, see all the parts. He has a lot of parts for sale, so I'm gonna talk to him and then see what's up. That's about it. I'm pretty sure this is it. He has a sedan right here, and then his car's in that shop. Pretty sure that he has a G35 sedan. Look, it has fucking Brimbos and rotors on it, and it looks older though. Alright chat, I just got finished talking with the man. I just finished business. I'm about to show you what I picked up today. It was a good day today, no cap. So I picked up some OEM parts that I need, coolant reservoir, this. I picked up some carbon fiber mirrors, picked up a inner pillar for the driver's seat, and then I got some OEM ones because mine are fucked from the hailstorm last year, so I picked those up. And then let me show you the biggest one. Look at that. Look at that sun on there, boy. Yes, sir. I'm actually proud of myself for strapping it. Got it from that corner to that corner. He gave me these Microsoft towels, and then I got this towel up against the edge so it doesn't crack. And it's not flexing at all. I made sure it's not flexing. Shit's not going anywhere unless someone fucking wrecks into me. So, yeah, city of Albuquerque, you have done great for me. I'm just kind of testing where this stands. Alright guys, fucking hoping y'all can see me. Oh look, someone left me a quarter. How nice of you guys.
Just a credit dump, so you can only use the mag strip. The clerk will let you swipe the card after you jam the chip. After it ain't working 2 times, she'll let you use the strip. Your piece keeps saying decline, and that's your sign for you to dip. Get out of there.